No cooking today, but I wanted to share with you about this because I'm so excited. I had this old desk and I said I am not gonna throw it away. So I painted it, or you can say sprayed it with some gray and some white on top, and now it looks new. So next time, try to do the same thing. Painting is so much easier because I tried to color it with using a brush and it just wasn't working. So spraying is so much quicker, so much easier. So just look at it now. Nice. And first thing you need to do is to take the desk outside. You can see I'm doing it outside, and all you need is a piece of cloth, some gloves, and the spray paint itself. Because the first thing you're gonna do is to wipe out the dust, brush it off, and then you can start doing the painting. It's as easy as that. You can see I was busy wiping the dust there, but make sure you leave it outside to dry before you can put it inside the house, because otherwise it really smells. Make sure it's free of dust or any dirt on it so that it doesn't interfere with your paint. Your paint then will look nice, crisp, and clean.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.